Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Insha and I create content on makeup, skincare and beauty. Today I'm going to share a tutorial on how you can achieve bronzy smoky eyes, snatched face and nude lips. So if you're interested then please keep on watching. To moisturize my face I am using Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. I am applying it all over my face. It's a good moisturizer and perfect to apply before makeup. I always do my eye makeup first before my face makeup. So for the eyebrows, I am going to use Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows Eyebrow Kit and I am going to fill my eyebrows. I am going to spread the product evenly with the help of a spoolie. I am going to clean my brows with the help of a Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and I am also going to apply it on my eyelids to prime my eyes before applying eyeshadow. I am blending the product with the help of a beauty blender. For eyeshadow, I am going to use Cuffs and Lashes 20 something face palette and I am going to take the bronzing shade and I am going to apply it on my crease as a transition shade. I am building that shade into my crease. For shimmer, I am going to use a Sivana color eyeshadow palette and I am going to apply the bronzing shimmer all over my eyelids. I feel applying shimmers with the help of fingers help you to get more pigmentation and better payoff. So I am applying it with my fingers. I am going to blend everything so it looks all even. For eyeliner, I am going to use the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner and I am going to create a very rough line because we are going to smudge it any which ways. I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara and I am going to coat my lashes. It gives perfect amount of length and volume. I am going to smudge my eyeliner using the black and brown shade to give it a smoky effect. For lashes, I am using the Swiss Beauty Lashes in style Rouge and I am going to apply it. Since my skin is feeling dry, so I am going to use another moisturizer and it's Emolene. It's great for dry skin. The consistency of this moisturizer is very gel-like, so you can also use this moisturizer if you have oily skin. To cover my dark circles and pigmentation, I am going to use the Inside Cosmetics Concealer in shade Warm Yellow and I am going to apply it under my eyes, near my mouth. It has great coverage and it is very affordable. For foundation, I am going to use a Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. If you want to see detailed review on this foundation, then let me know in the comment section below. I am going to blend the foundation with the help of a beauty blender to give it a flawless finish. Make sure you take your time in blending because blending helps you to get the flawless base. Further, to highlight my face, I am going to use Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I am going to apply it under my eyes, chin, cupid's bow, nose bridge and forehead. To contour my face, I am using Nybae Contouring Stick and I am going to apply it on hollows of my cheekbones, jawline, side of the nose and forehead. First I am going to blend the cream contour and then I am going to blend the concealer. I am using a brush for more precision and control. Take your time to blend everything nicely. I am using Beauty Blender to blend the concealer. To avoid creases, I am going to bake my under eyes with the help of Swiss Beauty mattifying powder. To bronze my face, I am going to use 20 something face palette. Bronzing is done to bring some warmness to your face. It gives you a very beautiful sun-kissed look. I am going to apply blush from Wetnwild and I am going to apply it more on my cheekbones and not on my apples because I want snatched look. Now I am dusting off the bake. This technique helps you to get snatched face and it makes your under eyes bright. To set my entire face, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. I am using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara and I am going to apply it on my lower lashes. To line my lips, I am using Swiss Beauty lip liner. The shades will be in the description box. I am also filling my lips with the same lip liner. I am using Inside Cosmetics liquid lipstick and I am going to line my lips and slightly fill them with this lipstick. And then I'm going to apply concealer to give it a nude lipstick kind of an effect. I am using Glow Up highlighter and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose bridge and forehead. And this is the final look. I feel this look can be done on any skin tone, no matter fair, medium or dusky, since it contains all the warm shades and warm tones. If you like this look, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.